Okay, so let's start. Act 2, Scene 2. Now here we see, in the beginning itself, we see Caliban on another part of the island. So on one part we have seen Antonio, Alonso, Sebastian, Gonzalo and other lords. On the other part, okay, Caliban. And the Caliban with a burden of wood. So Prospero has asked him to carry that load of wood for the fire and other work. A noise of thunder heard. So Caliban hears the sound of thunder and he gets afraid. And because he is carrying the woods, he is cursing Prospero. Okay, so he doesn't like Prospero for making him do so much of work. So what curse does he give? He says, all the infections that the sun sucks up from bogs, fens, flats on Prospero fall and make him by inch meal are disease. So he says, may all the infections, means all the contamination, everything that the sunlight takes in it. The sunlight kills the infection. So whatever infection the sunlight takes in itself, from which areas? From bogs. Bogs means the marshy land. From fens, that is from wetlands. From flat areas. Okay, from whichever area, part of the earth, the sunlight sucks up the infections, kills the germs and takes it in itself. May all those bacteria, germs, infections fall on Prospero and make him a disease, means make him sick, make him ill. Inch by inch means inch by inch. So every part of his body may be full of illness. So may the sunlight that takes up the infection from marshy areas, wet areas and other land, may all that fall on Prospero and make him sick. So this is the curse he gives to Prospero. Okay, and Prospero cannot hear him. His spirits hear me, and then he gets afraid that I am cursing like this and the spirits of Prospero will hear me. And yet I needs must curse. So still I will curse. Even if his spirits can hear me and they will report to Prospero and then Prospero will punish me, still I will curse Prospero. But they will not pinch, fright. Okay, so now he recalls the punishment of Prospero, means what all Prospero can do to him. So what all punishments Prospero has given to Caliban by his spirits. So this all he recalls. Please mark that. Number 1, he says, they will not pinch. So pinch is number 1. Fright me with urchin shows. Urchin shows here is in the meaning you see appearance of goblins. Goblins are small supernatural creatures. Okay. Shaped as hedgehogs, type of an animal. So goblins are those creatures that create trouble for human beings. So he says, frighten me with urchin shows. So spirits come in different forms and frighten me. So that's second. First is pinch. Second, frighten him. Pitch me in the mire. Okay, this is number 3. Pitch means throw. So Caliban says his spirits throw me in the mire. Mire is like where you can go deep inside it. Okay, where it's very wet type land, and if someone goes in that, then it keep going down and down, down. You cannot come up from it. So he says the spirits can throw me in the mire, nor lead me like a firebrand in the dark. This is number 4. And the spirits can lead me like a firebrand, means like a light in the dark, out of my way. So the spirits of Prospero, they become firebrand, that is light, and lead Caliban walk in that path, and then he forgets his path. So they misguide Caliban. So that's number 4. Unless he bid them, he is Prospero. Unless Prospero tells his spirits will not do any of such things. So what all can the spirits of Prospero do? Okay, this you have to learn. 4 things. First is, they can pinch Caliban. Second, they can frighten him with different shows, strange shows. Third, they can throw him in the mire. And fourth, they take the form of firebrand, that is light, and make Caliban lose his way and move on the wrong path. But for every trifle are they set upon me. But for every small mistake, every trifle, no matter how small the mistake is, Prospero sent his spirits to punish me. Sometimes like apes that meow and chatter at me and after bite me. This is number 5. So sometimes his spirits are like the shape of monkeys, apes. That first of all they make fun of me, meow and chatter, they make some facial expressions, and then afterwards they bite me also. So that's number 5. Then like hedgehogs, this is number 6. Like hedgehogs, as I told you, it's a type of animal, which lie tumbling in my barefoot away and mount their pricks at my footfall. So hedgehogs have some thorn-like things on its skin. That is to save itself from dangers, other animals. So he says that the spirits, they like in the form of hedgehogs, they lie on the path. And as soon as they hear the footfall, the sound of Caliban's feet, they raise their thorns high. Okay, and then Caliban's feet gets hurt because he steps on the hedgehogs and the thorns pierce his feet and he gets hurt. So he says some spirits are like hedgehogs and they lie on the path and they raise their thorns when they hear the footfall, the sound of Caliban's feet. So the hedgehogs is number 6. Sometime am I all wound with adders. Adders means snakes. Okay, so this is number 7. So sometimes the spirits come in the form of snakes and they all wound, means go round and round around Caliban. Tighten his body like a rope. You tie someone's body. The snakes. So spirits of Prospero in the form of adders, in the form of snakes, they all bind Caliban. Who with cloven tongues, cloven means split tongues. So if you have noticed the tongue of the snakes and cobras, it is split. So the split tongues of the snakes do hiss me into madness, and they hiss at me so much until I go mad with fear. Lo now lo. So 7 dangers he recalls. That 7 ways the spirits of Prospero punish him. And then he says, lo now lo. Oh no. Now again he gets afraid because there is thunder. Here comes a spirit of his. So he sees Trinculo coming. Who is Trinculo? One of the jesters who has saved from the shipwreck. Okay. So he sees Trinculo. So he has not seen any other human beings except Prospero and Miranda. And he has seen his mother, Sycorax. Okay. So he thinks that this Trinculo is a spirit of Prospero. And to torment me for bringing wood in slowly. So Prospero has sent this spirit to punish me because I am taking so much time in bringing the woods. So Caliban gets afraid. I will fall flat. So I will lie down on the ground. Perchance he will not mind me. So maybe perhaps he will not notice me and then he cannot punish me. So Caliban misunderstands Trinculo as one of the spirits of Prospero and he thinks that Prospero has sent Trinculo to punish him because he is bringing wood slowly. So how does he decide to save himself? By lying on the ground, and then maybe the spirit may not notice him and Caliban will be saved from the punishment of Prospero.